Samsung Galaxy A11. The Galaxy A11 is a lower mid-range slate Android smartphone released by Samsung in May 2020. Identifiable by model number SM-A115. Use this guide to remove or replace the screen in your Samsung Galaxy A11. For your safety, discharge the battery below 25% before disassembling your phone. Use a SIM ejector or a paperclip to push the tip all the way into the hole until the tray ejects, and then pull the tray of SIM and memory card out. Using a spudger, plastic pick, or your fingernail, carefully, around the edge, detach the back cover clips and remove it. Do not insert the tool deeply or bend it. Otherwise, the housing may be tampered with or damaged. Be careful when opening the cover from the volume and power button side. Thin cable and fragile buttons are straightforward to damage. Look in advance in the picture for the cable's location for interboard, touchscreen, display, buttons, if any, under the cover to not damage them accidentally. Pay attention to the fingerprint sensor cable glued to the back cover from the inside. The surface of the back cover must be heated to soften the adhesive underneath. The approximate heating temperature is 50 degrees Celsius, 125 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the bracket holding the connectors. Disconnect the battery connector as soon as possible. Pry up the connector and remove the fingerprint sensor. Pry up the connectors of the display module cable, interboard cable, and coaxial cable. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew 3 screws at the phone's upper part. Try not to touch the camera. The camera is quite fragile. If you leave prints or other marks on the lens, it will be difficult enough to clean the lens, and the quality of the images may deteriorate. Also, be careful not to damage the protective shell of the phone battery in any way. This battery may catch fire or explode. Transfer the earpiece to your new screen. Some replacement screens have earpieces installed like the service pack screens. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew 8 screws at the lower part of the phone. Be sure to note the location of the screws before disassembling. When assembling the device, screwing the screw in the wrong place may damage the device or its part. To avoid damage, the removed screws and individual pieces, as gaskets or brackets, must be laid out in the appropriate order, or the screws and their holes in the phone must be marked with colored markers. Disconnect the coaxial cable connector and interboard subscreen cable on the daughterboard. Remove the subboard. It is glued to the frame with metallized tape, so to facilitate the process, the board can be heated a bit. The board contains a charging port, microphone, spring contacts for the speaker, vibration motor, and an antenna unit. It is not necessary to insert the tool under the board when removing the subboard. Internal components could be damaged. Be sure to follow necessary steps to reuse small parts to your new LCD screen. Find the best mobile phone repairs in Australia. Casphone IT Repairs Services. The one-stop solution for your phones, tablets and laptops. At Casphone, we know that accidents happen, and your phone is basically an extension of your hand. That's why we specialize in providing quick, reliable, and affordable mobile phone repair services. Our team of tech wizards are experts in all things phone repair, from screen replacements to battery swaps and beyond. But we are not just about fixing broken screens, we also offer a variety of other services to keep your phone in tip-top shape. From camera repairs to charging port fixes and water damage repair, we've got you covered. Plus, we use only the highest quality parts, and our work is backed by a solid warranty, so you can trust that your phone will be as good as new. One of the best things about Casphone: we know that you're busy and you don't have time to waste. That's why we offer lightning-fast turnaround times, so you can get back to your life and your phone in no time. Don't let a cracked screen or any other phone issues hold you back. With Casphone, you can trust that your phone is in good hands. Contact us today to schedule an appointment or to learn more about our services. Our team is ready to make sure your phone is running like a dream. Thanks for watching Repairs to Go channel. Shout out to all who watched my video tutorials, especially Board Vlogger. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more video tutorials. See you next time.